Here we go. Now jump over into YouTube, jump over into Chrome. And as soon as that read, all right, we are live. Good morning, everybody. Welcome to Stewart Middle School. I am here in the technology studio with my awesome students. They are 6th graders. It's first period, and we're going to 3D print some stuff for you today. Take a look at what we already printed this morning while we were waiting, while we were setting up for the live stream. We 3D printed this really cool bishop. By the way, how does the audio sound? Is it a thumbs up or a thumbs down? A thumbs up. Good. Okay, let's switch back over into OBS Studio so we can see the close-up of this. Let's get a nice close-up of this bishop. What a cool chess piece this is. Our 3D printer printed this thing. Yeah, click on that so we can see OBS Studio. Good. Yeah, look at that. Look at that. So that's a chess piece that is a bishop, for those of you who play chess. And it came off of our 3D printer, which I just heard it start to fire up. Let's see what that thing is up to. Okay, this is estimating that in 52 minutes, we're going to have a king printed. Wow, I love this Dremel 3D printer. We've got 3 other 3D printers that are very similar to this one so that we can make lots of cool 3D prints in here. I think I'm just going to leave the bishop right there. It's going to stay on top of the printer. But just to show you what you can do with a 3D printer, you could make a really cool windmill like this. Awesome. This was, by the way, when you take technology class in 7th grade or 8th grade, this is what you get to do. In 6th grade, we don't have enough time to get to 3D printing. But in 7th and 8th grade, you get to do awesome stuff like this. Oh, I'm so hungry. I wish I had a healthy snack I could eat, like maybe this delicious apple. I can't eat it. I'm wearing a mask. And it's made out of plastic. Okay, well, I think I need, gosh, I'm still hungry even after eating that delicious apple. I think I'm going to need some dessert. Wish I had, I don't know, maybe something like an Oreo cookie. I think this one is double stuffed because, you know, if you're going to eat dessert, you know, you want to really do it right. Except this one is made out of plastic too. We painted it. We printed this with the black filament. Filament is what you call the plastic that's in there. And then we painted white for the double stuffed filling. Don't eat that. It's made out of plastic. It's probably toxic. And we made this really cool thing, this figurine, Swordman or whatever his name is. Wow, these are custom made. We didn't download these off the internet and just hit the print button. We custom made these out of spheres and triangles and vertices and geometry, and we built these things custom made. Oh, look at this birdie. I can almost see it like flying off. Woo, there goes the birdie. I love it. But it's kind of like a blocky Minecraft style birdie. So I really like that. So take technology class in 7th grade or 8th grade so that you can do awesome stuff like 3D printing. In 50 minutes, we should have a king right there. You can see the extruder doing its thing. Okay, what else did I want to tell you about today? I actually need to get something from back here. Going to move that out of the way. Here we go. Look at this. Uh-oh. The audio's gone south?
It's not, it's a phone behind your word.
Oh, that's fine. Yeah, the audio. So interesting fact, whenever you live stream things, you don't get to see it actually live. You get to see it like 30 seconds after it really happened. And sometimes people do that so they can bleep out bad words. Like if I'm a comedian and you don't know what the comedian's going to say and maybe they're going to drop some F-bombs or something, you put it on a time delay so that the director in the control room can bleep out or block out the bad words. But even outside of that, because we know I'm not going to say any bad words, but even outside of that, there's a time delay because it has to, everything we're doing right now is getting digitized here and it's getting uploaded. We have really fast internet here at school. It gets uploaded to YouTube, but then YouTube has to actually do some processing on their end so that they can send it out to everybody. And where is YouTube? It's not in one place. It's distributed all around the world in data centers and maybe our closest data center is Washington, D.C., who knows? So it may have to go all the way to Washington, D.C., and then it gets sent out to everybody. So there's always a delay. Anyway, what is this thing? This is really cool. Somebody made this. It wasn't me, but it's super cool, and it's here to remind you all that hopefully very soon we're going to be starting our after-school club called TSA. If you've ever heard of the FFA, that's for agriculture. This is the TSA. This is for technology students. So if you love technology, if you love Legos, computers, robots, gliders, race cars, any kind of 3D printers, any kind of technology, we're going to hopefully have an after-school club for you. We're on pause right now because of COVID, but hopefully very soon we're going to have that going on. And so if you want to get in touch with me, let's stay in touch. And if at some point in the not too distant future we can have our TSA club again, I would love to hear from you so that we can get a bunch of new members. Because we actually go to competitions. We have a local competition where you get to race your race cars and they measure them and see if it's exactly built the right way. I actually think I've got some race cars over here I can show off to you guys. Take a look at this one. These are called CO2 dragsters because they're powered by little CO2 cartridges. The CO2 cartridge goes in there and they fire them off and they race 2 cars at a time and it just goes like that, really fast. And you see who wins. But it's also, it's not just whose is the fastest, but it's also which one has the best paint job, which one has the best sanding job, which one was cut out on the saw in the best way. And they have competitions for that, and that's what TSA is. So let me know if you're interested in that, because these cars are just so much fun. They're so cool. Now, I promised my students, my awesome first period students, that if you have some wood projects that you want to show off and let the folks at home see what you've been building in our wood shop, go grab them out of your lockers. Go grab them and show them off, and I will get out of the way so that other people can come be on camera. They're all running. You can't see it right now, but they are all running into the wood shop. Well, they're walking. They're walking in a very safe fashion, and they're getting these wood projects out of their lockers, and they're going to come show them off to you guys. And we're going to switch. Right now I'm talking to you with this lavalier microphone, but we're going to switch to using this shotgun microphone so that they can come on. So how about you all pick one person to come on camera first, and remember we have to turn up the microphone for whoever's going to come on camera first. Come on up. Did it fall off? How? Well, we'll just have to glue it back. Yeah, come on up. I think the microphone is hot. I think it's waiting for you. Come on up. So now you should be hearing my voice through this microphone. Oh, that's too loud. So now you should be hearing my voice through this microphone. Good. Come on up. Come on up. Don't leave the people at home waiting. And remember, everybody, don't give your last name on the live stream. You never want to say somebody's last name on the internet. Tell us what we got here.
I have a cow. Oh my goodness. I can't hold it right because the leg fell off again.
Do your best so we get a good shot of it.
Here's my cow. And I pet it.
And the tail was the first one to come off, right?
Yeah. And then the leg fell off again.
Oh my gosh. We're going to have to do that.
Yeah.
Well, you want to say hi, Mom, or anything else?
No.
All right.
I don't.
Come on next. You got this. You got this.
Hi. So, I made this dog and I painted him. So, yeah. Ta-da!
Nice. Good job. Good job. Go on up there. Let's see what you got.
I made this doll. Oh, not doll. I got it from you now. A horse. because it's my favorite animal and my mom's. And we go horseback riding like every single weekend. So yeah.
Good job. Now remember to switch the microphone over. All right. Good job, you guys. Good job. You were on camera. You showed off your wood projects. The whole world is going to see it now. This is really cool. Don't worry, we are going to fix that cow leg. We're going to get it back on track. We might even do a few little minor improvements on the dog if Giselle wants. And I got a couple students coming back to my class right now. You guys pause, and I'm going to give you the option. Do you want to stand on here right now and say, "Hi, Mom," or anything like that? Do you want to be on camera, or are you like, no? It's a tough call if you want to be on a live stream. What do you think? Chris, Marcus, you want to yes or no? I'm seeing a no, and I'm seeing another no. That's quite all right. I think that means it's time to wrap it up. Thank you for watching, everybody. I had a good time talking to you. Stay tuned. SMS Technology. We'll talk to you later. Bye. Now what you're going to do is you're going to hit stop streaming.